Welcome! Today we're diving into the Amish secret for a pest-free garden. Most people reach for chemicals at the first sign of bugs, but the Amish focus on prevention. Their method? Build healthy soil, full of life and nutrients, so plants grow strong and naturally resist pests. Weak plants attract trouble. Robust ones don't. Feed your soil with compost and organic matter. This is your garden's first line of defense. Instead of reacting to pests, you're already protected. The Amish work with nature, not against it. Healthy soil means healthy plants, less worry, and no harsh chemicals. Check your soil. Is it dark, crumbly, and rich? That's the goal. This isn't a secret, just old-fashioned wisdom. Nurture your soil, and your plants will thrive. Strong, vibrant plants are less appealing to pests. Remember, a healthy garden starts from the ground up. Prevention is the Amish way. Let's get our hands dirty and build that foundation. The Amish use companion planting, pairing plants that help each other. Marigolds near tomatoes mask their scent, confusing pests. Onions and garlic protect carrots. Herbs like rosemary deter cabbage moths. This creates a diverse, pest-resistant garden. Still need extra help? Try a homemade garlic pepper spray. Blend garlic, hot pepper and water. Let it sit, strain, add a drop of soap and spray. It won't harm plants, but pests hate it. Spray in the morning or evening to avoid leaf burn. This isn't poison. It just makes plants unappetizing to bugs. Amish solutions are simple, natural and effective. Use what's in your kitchen to protect your garden. No chemicals, just smart, gentle methods. That's the Amish approach. Physical barriers are an Amish staple. Cover seedlings with netting or row covers to block insects and birds. Put barriers in place early for best results. For bigger pests, use netting or small fences. Rotate crops each year. Don't plant the same family in the same spot. This breaks pest cycles and keeps soil healthy. Divide your garden into sections and rotate crops annually. Simple planning, big results. These methods keep your garden productive and pest-free season after season. Cleanliness matters. Remove dead plants and debris to deny pests a hiding place. Compost old material to stop problems before they start. Regularly remove yellowed or damaged leaves. Harvest veggies as soon as they're ripe. Don't leave overripe fruit for pests. A tidy garden is a healthy garden. Sprinkle wood ash around vulnerable plants. Slugs and snails hate it. Reapply after rain and use only clean wood ash. Amish resourcefulness. Simple, effective and eco-friendly. The Amish don't aim to wipe out every pest. Just keep balance. Beneficial insects like ladybirds and lacewings help control pests naturally. Avoid chemicals that harm these allies. Plant flowers to attract helpful bugs. Over time, your garden becomes self-regulating. Healthy soil, crop rotation, and natural predators do most of the work. Less intervention, more resilience. You become a partner with nature, not its adversary. The result? Cleaner food, a thriving garden, and a deeper connection to the land. That's the enduring wisdom of the Amish way.